Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today I am here to teach you the next chapter, chapter number 2, uses of plants from your science book. So students, in our previous chapter, you have learned about the plants, types of plants and parts of plants. Now students, in this chapter we are going to study about the uses of plants. Plants give us many things. Plants have many uses and we get most of our food from plants. So students, you can say that our lives are totally depend on plants. Now let's come to the topic. So students, here two questions are given and in this chapter you will learn about plants give us many things. The first one, draw and color your favorite fruit. How many seeds does it have? So students, in the first box you have to draw and color your favorite fruit and you have to write the number of seed does it have in the given blank. Now second question, draw and color your favorite vegetable. Which part of the plant does it come from? So students, in next box you have to draw the picture of your favorite vegetable and you have to write which part of the plant does it come from and you have to color the picture also. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is plants give us food. Fruits and vegetables. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. So students, from where we get fruits and vegetables? Yes, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Now the example of fruits. So the example of fruits are mangoes, grapes, oranges, guavas, watermelons, strawberries, cherries, lemons, bananas, apples and peaches. So students, look here, the picture of apple, papaya, orange and grapes are given here. These are the fruits that we get from plants. Now examples of vegetables: potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, onion, lettuce, celery, turnip and cauliflower. So the picture of these vegetables are given here. We eat the different parts of plants as vegetables. Let's have a look at them. So students, we eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Now let's discuss about them. The first one is stems. So students, potato and sugarcane are the stems of a plant. Next one, roots. Example, carrot, radish and turnip. These are the roots that we get from plants. Next, leaves, cabbage and lettuce. So students, these are the leaves that we get from plants. Next one, flowers, cauliflower and broccoli are the flowers that we get from plant. The next one, seeds, corn and groundnut are the seeds that we get from plant. So students, these are the example of stems, roots, leaves, flowers and seeds that we eat. Plants give us different kinds of foods. Now students, get it right. Tomato and brinjal are actually fruits not vegetables because they contain seeds. So students, fruits contain seeds, and tomato and brinjal are actually a fruit because they contain seeds. Now let's come to the next topic, cereals and pulses. So students, plants give us food grains. Now let's discuss about the food grains that are given below. We eat food grains of some grass-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat. They are known as cereals. Some cereals are ground to make flour. So students, what are cereals? The food grains of some grass-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oats are known as cereals. And cereals are ground to make flour, that is known as atta. Look here, the picture of cereals are given: rice, wheat and maize. And in next picture, mung beans, green gram. So students, let's discuss about pulses. So mung beans are pulses. So do you know about pulses? We also eat grains such as mung and kidney bean, rajma. These food grains are known as pulses. So students, we also eat grains such as mung and kidney beans, that is known as rajma, and the kidney bean is known as rajma. So students, the food grains which are found inside pods are pulses. Cereals are not found inside pods. So students, grains which are found inside pods are known as pulses. Look here, the picture of kidney beans is also given here. Let's come to the next topic, tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. So students, we get tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar from plants. So students, cocoa is used for making chocolates, and we get sugar from plants. And so students, do you know we get sugar from which plant? Yes, sugar cane. We get sugar from the sugar cane plant. Here, picture of cocoa, coffee beans and sugar cane is given. So students, look here, the picture of tea leaves. Tea leaves are used to make tea, and cocoa are used to make chocolates, and coffee beans are used to make coffee, and the next one, sugar cane, are used to make sugar. So students, these all are the things that we get from plants. Now students, our next topics are spices, and plants give us oil, plants give us medicine, etc. You will get the explanation of remaining topics in our next video. I hope you understood all the topics that I explained you in this video. Now you have to read this chapter and learn all the examples of these topics, and you have to discuss the uses of plants with your family members, and you have to underline the hard words from this chapter. Now the explanation of this chapter is completed. Now your turn to grasp it and study it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.